Transportation, the action of moving people or goods from one place to another. Vehicle, a machine used for transportation. Bus, a large vehicle used to transport many people. Car, a small vehicle used to transport a few people. Train, a long group of connected vehicles that moves on tracks. Bicycle, a two-wheeled vehicle powered by pedals. Boat, a small vehicle used for travel on water. Airplane, a powered flying vehicle with wings. Subway, an underground railway. Taxi, a car that you pay to take you somewhere. Truck, a large vehicle used to transport goods. Helicopter, a type of aircraft that can take off and land vertically. Scooter, a small, motorized vehicle with two wheels. Ferry, a boat used to transport passengers and sometimes vehicles across water. Traffic, the movement of vehicles on the road. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. I take the bus to school every day. 2. My dad drives a car to work. 3. The train is late today. 4. I ride my bicycle in the park. 5. We are taking a boat ride tomorrow. 6. We fly on an airplane for vacation. 7. I use the subway to get downtown. 8. Let's call a taxi to go home. 9. The truck is delivering packages. 10. The helicopter flies over the city. 11. She rides a scooter to the store. 12. The ferry takes us across the river. 13. There is a lot of traffic on the highway.